Welcome to our channel, Flores Fam. Thank you guys so much for joining. Today we are going to be opening up a Ryan toy. It is Ryan's mini figures collection, and you can get this at any Walmart store or any store like Ross, Marshalls, anything like that. We actually got this one at Marshalls for $8. So we are going to open up the little toy. This is, what's your name, PJ?
PJ, Nina,
Trina, and Trino. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys would like to watch the video, continue watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you.
We'll open it. PJ, why your mommy help you? You think you can do it, PJ? The time I opened it. Hi, PJ.
It's okay. Hold on. He's opening it.
Do you think that's how you...
Yep.
Yeah, to read it. Hi. Hi. So
PJ is opening up the Ryan toy.
I'm going to put this in the garbage can.
Go ahead. Wow, this is cool. How many figures is in there? Does it say? You want to count them?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow, so there's 8. And it's a bunch of just fun mini Ryans, it says.
PJ, can I see it?
That's cool.
Yes. Whoa. Let me keep them out. I'm going to keep them out.
Hold on, you guys can take turns, okay?
PJ takes one.
Oh, this one went flying over here.
Let me keep them out.
This one was flying. Oh my gosh, PJ.
I can't even reach. Oh no, Mommy. Yeah, look, it hurt up. I can't fit. I can't get it. PJ, hurry. Hey, give me one. The one here fall out. Look at the hairstyle. Twin, let me take them out. I got this. The tissue. Got it, you finally got it. But you didn't have 2 people. I have this guy and this guy. Oh, let me just show them. Guys, there's a little, wait, the hair come off. Okay. Guys, what do you want to do today? I don't know. You have to die, you have to show. Look, guys, look at this style, guys. I don't want this. I want this one. Hey, you want to be this one? Okay, be him. That's funny hair. Mom, my shopping deal. I am gonna be because you're mine. I guess I'll be the mom because I'm the biggest. Oh, you want to fight? I have no time for fight. No, I'm 10 and fine with the toys, PJ. Michelle.
Is it the hair? Oh, it is Ryan's hair. Oh, that's cool.
My heel falls. I knocked his hair off.
So all the body parts come off, huh? So look at all the body parts come off. That's cool.
Guys, do you think like the hair goes?
The hair comes off. The body comes off. And I'm pretty sure the arms. Yep. So they all come off. That's cool. So you guys could actually like change the outfits too.
Okay. Do you want to change still my outfit? Yeah. I'm gonna change some outfit. Want to fight? Double punch. Do you want to change some outfit?
I think he's over here too busy playing with them.
I made the same time. Let's put the hair back.
Wow, that's cute.
Now I have hair back. No, there. I pinched it. Okay, the hair got off.
The hair went flying.
Chicken face. Oh! The switch. I want them to switch legs because this is green and green matches the shirt, and the legs are blue and the shirt matches because it's blue in the shirt.
Oh yeah, it matches. Oh, that's cool.
Put the back on. Guys, I matched the colors. Blue, green. I made a stitch tattoo too. Did it?
All green?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hit your face. Ow. I'm bleeding. Let me go take the M. I'll go fix it. It is all red.
That's cool, baby.
Wait, let me go pet. Wait. I'm gonna. Oh, he has sheets. What does she know? Woohoo! What does she? I put the old heel back on. You can't see it, Mommy. I made this. Mommy. Green.
Adelina wants me to help put the hair back on.
Don't see the heel. Baby trying to fight this big bear. And the baby not cannot. Oh, bad. Ow. Wait, look. Let me see it on there too.
Later on, I'm gonna put it on there.
Whoa, the pieces are off. Mom, can you put the hands on it? I can't put them on.
Let me see.
I'm gonna go get a drink.
Trino needs help putting the arms on.
I'm gonna go get a drink.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
It's missing the body and the hair.
Wait, no, I gotta make something funny. It was all good.
Thank you for putting that in the garbage.
I'm gonna miss it. It's all shut. It's shut bottle. I'm gonna make that. Look what I did, guys. You guys are gonna think the head is this way, right? The other way, but the hair is like this. The face is right here.
Wow, so it's backwards.
Yeah, it's Lon's hair. You can't see it. I'm making some 40 pots.
All the little action figures.
What happened to these out there for? What happened to these? Can I get like other toys? Like to play with him, Mom?
Yeah, but not right now.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, look what PJ did. He made some babies. I made some babies. Okay. Oh, you want me to show you how to make some babies? You take up the leg and then the head. Okay. Babies. I made some babies. Babies.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
I made another baby. But we got to make some presents too. Can you have one? I'm going to see the lion. Not sure why you told you. You didn't make present for us. My baby. For us. Same head. The second one is my baby. Babies. Guys, show me the guys. Wait, I didn't know the legs could do that.
Hello. So I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video of my little family playing with the little Ryan action figures. I hope you guys hit that subscribe button and continue watching videos about me and my little fam. See you guys next time.
Oh, you told me.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.